Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to draw on OLED 1306 display and use it with ESP32. First, let's look at the circuit. To draw on this display, you wanna enter this website lopaka.app, create an account, then click on New Project. Give it a name. For the platform, you should select UAG2 and set the screen size to 12.8 by 64. After that, click on Submit. A new project has been created successfully, and here is the display screen for your simulation. As you can see here, a list of tools that can be used to draw on your display. For example, we can use the paint to draw some pixels. Also, you have this tool to type a text. You're gonna use, and you can select the font from this list. Also, you can use this rectangle to draw a rectangle, or draw an ellipse, or draw a line. We can use these settings for this rectangle so it can be filled, but the text isn't showing, so we can click on inverted XOR so the text will show. And let's draw something and then use it on our display using ESP32. I've drawn this Tetris game, as you can see. To download the code, it's available at the bottom of the screen. But we need to do some settings. Please select the style as Arduino C++. Also check this and check this to get comments. Now to display this interface on our screen, we need to create a new Arduino project. After that, you should go back to the website to get the code. Let's start by copying these images and paste it on top of the setup method. Next, let's copy all the rest of the code. Then paste it into the loop function. In order to work, we need to import some libraries and do some initializations. We need to include these two libraries. If you don't have this library, you can install it from the library manager. We need also to initialize our OLED display screen. Then we should enter these two lines into the setup method. Now let's plug the ESP to the computer and upload the code. You should select the ESP from this list, then hit upload. Wait for some seconds and let's see the result. And yeah, the code has been uploaded successfully. Let's see the result. Now, as you can see, the interface has been displayed successfully into the OLED screen. And as you can see, it is at a good quality. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.